Sabina Chege. Yes.
Thank you.
Order.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, for this opportunity.
Sabina, hold. Yes, Junet. What is your point of order?
Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, the honorable member, Honorable Wamboka, who has just finished his contribution, Mr. Speaker, says that the only seat we have in this parliament, the seat of lawyers, is only yours, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, do we assume now?
Order, Honorable. He also said keep the speaker out of this. So keep me out of this. Sabina Chege.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, for the opportunity. And Mr. Speaker, from the onset,